How to remove background. Today I'll be showing you guys how you can remove background with these free two apps. I will show you step by step how you can remove background. Here I will just use my phone browser, so you don't need to click on your phone browser and type Pixlr.com. This is it. Here you can do a lot of things with the app: AI image generator, AI face swap, AI remove background, remove objects, photo collage maker, crop image, AI generative fill, generative expand. You can resize image, touch up, also use it to design templates. So we'll just use the one we are here for, remove background. So now we select our photo library, take a photo. I'll just go to photo library. Now click on, don't really know which image to, wow, the mistake. You can also click on multiple image. You can remove multiple image at once. How about we use this? This is it. It has removed the photo, sorry, the background. Let's try something else. Let's use the car. Oh no, what the hell? This is it. If your phone is an iPhone, you can just copy the picture too. You can just hold the picture and copy it. Now it's copied. You can just paste it wherever you want to use it. So let's go to the other. So now we'll use this Adobe Express. If you don't have it in on your phone, you can just go to the App Store or Play Store to download it. So this is how the interface looks like. This is the interface. This is how it looks like. So now we are going to click on the remove background, since this is what we are here for. So I'll click on remove background. Then tap on it. Tap to upload an image. So you tap on it. Photo library, take photo, choose file. I would go to my photo library. Then should use photo should we use now? Let's use this. Now it's removing the background. This is it. Isn't it perfect? Just look at it. Look at it. See how beautiful it is. So when you are through, you click download and it will be saved on your device. You download it. Since I will be using it, I'm just doing it as an example. Then let's try something else. Click again, go to photo library. Don't you try something about this? Don't think this will work, but let's try it. It did not work well. It still work. Oh. Okay, let's try something else. Tap on it. Photo library. Let me use one of these my photos. Let me use this. See it. This is it. It's so clear and so as in it's really nice. This is good. So now we click on the download. Yeah, you have your photo without the background. Now it's saved. Not now. So there are other things you can do with this app also. But today we won't be talking about that.